Hey guys, welcome again to one of my other videos. In this video, I want to teach you how to install the new version of IDEA, as in the last video we installed Java, so stay with me until the end of this video. IDEA is a software that gives us the ability to write programming language codes in an environment with more features that we can directly compile and run the program in that environment easily. Please subscribe to my channel to be notified of my next videos. Don't forget to like and comment. So let's see how to download it from the browser. I search for IDEA in the search engine. And I will open the first link you see here. As you can see, here is the new version of IntelliJ IDEA for Windows, Mac, Linux. Based on the operating system you have, you can choose. I will download it for Windows. I already downloaded this and I don't need to download it again, so you download this and then we will go to the installation stage. Well, I open the IntelliJ IDEA folder and double-click on Setup for the installation phase. Click on Next. And this is the destination folder where IntelliJ IDEA will be installed. The memory space it needs is 2.4 GB, and our available memory space is 60.8 GB. Click on Next. This will create a shortcut on the desktop. Check this, and check the Update Context menu option. Here we choose Java. Also check Add Bin folder to the path. Click on Next. Select the Start menu folder in which you would like to create the program's shortcuts. You can also enter a name to create a new folder. But I don't change this, and that's right, and I click on the Install option to start the installation process. Well, the installation of IntelliJ IDEA is finished, and now we have to restart the computer, or you can do it later. After restarting, we will do the next steps. Well, friends, after the short break we had due to restarting, I came back again. So now we go and open IntelliJ IDEA. This is the user agreement. Check it and click Continue. On this page, we click on the Send Anonymous Statistics option. Click on New Project. Well, here we give the name of the project. And we can change the location of our project. The language is Java. And here is the JDK path that we specified earlier. Then click on Create to create first Java project. So if it was really useful for you, do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Project created. We delete these because we don't need them and write and run our first program. Now we will shout Hello World. And then click here to compile and run. As you can see, it outputting the result for us. I hope you watching this video useful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.